Autumn's coming and I'm gonna turn this mushroom design into a hat on this beautiful olive colored fedora. So come and join me, guys. Let's do it together. Hello everyone and welcome back. So it's miserable outside, it's dark and it's raining. Although it kind of looks like there's light, like a lot of light coming through, there's not. It's once again Scottish weather. You get the sun for 10 minutes and then the heavens open up and it's really dark. Rubbish, absolute rubbish. So today I have decided that I want to do some fall designs. I think we're going to do a shop update the end of September because that's when it's going to be autumn, and I love autumn. I love the heat of the sun, but I love autumn. It's quite warm here sometimes, and then obviously all the colours are my colours. I same with a lot of you guys, because I speak to people on Instagram as well, and they're all just the same. Everyone's excited for autumn. So cool. So I've decided to do mushrooms. I think this is going to look really good. I can't figure out, I did draw these, you guys. Actually, you'll have just seen that footage unless I stick it in after, but it'll probably be in the start. I have decided that it's gonna be on either a burnt orange hat or a olive green hat. I'm swaying more towards the olive green, but I might change my mind, who knows. So that's what we're doing today. So I'm gonna go and make my mind up whether I want orange or green, and I will catch up with you guys in a minute. Okay guys, ta-da! You know, you guys know I love mushrooms. Before I start doing the hats, there are many paintings of mushrooms, like watercolor paintings of mushrooms on this channel. But look at that. I love it. I even gave it some cute little accessories and a layered band in browns and greens, so it's all foresty. Now I haven't done the underneath. I am going to do the underneath though, because I think that's going to look really cool with mushrooms. But I'm super chuffed with this. Thank you everyone on Instagram that voted for this design. It was my favourite, but of course I wanted some help to pick. So guys, thanks for coming and hanging out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up because it helps the channel grow. If you'd like to subscribe, please do so, but I ain't forcing you. And I'll see you guys next week.